All right, in today's video, I'm going to do the unboxing of the new Caddyx Protos. This is the fly FPV fly combo, and as you can see here, it says Ascent Digital HD system. So this is not the same system as your walk snail, so it is not backwards compatible with that. So this is a whole new system. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so it comes in a really nice case. No straps on it. All right, inside. It's just a cloth to wipe off your screen, I guess. Here's your controller. Pretty good looking controller. Looks like it's USB-C. Here are the goggles, and in my next video when I'm flying it around, I'll show you the goggles a little more. Here's a battery pack for the goggles. Your batteries, pretty small batteries. And here is the drone itself. It is a good looking little drone. We'll go ahead and take the stickers off and fly it tomorrow. But for now, we're just doing the unboxing. Here's a charger for your 3 batteries. This card here. All right, that's it. This is what's in the box. Again, it comes in a nice little case. It is a very small drone. I'll show you the size of it compared to the Neo when I get it out. Also the Avata, another little small analog drone that I have. And we'll just get up in the air pretty soon. All right, please like and subscribe to the channel. Keep your notifications on, and you'll be notified when I go ahead and fly this thing. All right, thanks a lot.